Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Clickmagick for 2018, my #1 click tracking tool. Okay, and if you're doing any affiliate marketing or any internet marketing, not tracking your advertising strategies and methods, you're gonna lose some money. All right, so you need to be able to track what you're doing to know what traffic sources are good, and they need to focus on the other traffic sources that's not doing your business any justice. All right, so let me go ahead and move my video here to the bottom right. I want to actually log in and show you guys a demo, and I've got a bonus for you guys at the end as well. All right, so here it is. As you can see there, it's got a 14-day free trial. If you want to check it out, the link's in the description field. But let me go ahead and log in and show you what this bad boy could do. And I actually got some notes because I want to touch on a few key points in here. Right, this is just some tracking stats from different solo ad guys. This is going back from 2016. I'm actually working with my coach now. I'm actually getting back and actually upgrading my solo ad email marketing business. So, and again, but this is a must track. This is a must-have tool. You can see there, it tracks all the leads, sales. A lot of times you won't see the sale column unless it's your own products, right? But for instance, on some affiliate networks like Max Bounty or Cash Network, either one of those, depending on the offer, they will actually allow you to put some pixels on their page to track some sales. So just want to let you guys know that as well, right? So, let me just go ahead and jump in here real quick. So check this out, guys. If you want to create a link, right? So let me just give this a name. Let's call this test, right? And I'll call this test there as well. And this will be the page that you're sending the traffic to, right? So if you've got a squeeze page set up, that's where you should be sending it to. You shouldn't be sending any traffic to a sales page. You've got to make sure you're sending it to a squeeze page where you could actually collect the leads, right? So I'm going to say that squeeze page is called, let's just say Google for now, all right? Let's just drop that in there. And you could cloak it. And the reason you want to cloak it is if you want to do something like an exit redirect. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second. I'm going to go ahead and just, Google can't be cloaked, okay? Let me try something here. Let me just think of one I could put in here. I believe this should work. Go ahead and just click create link. There it goes. And actually, something? I actually put it in here. If you see me looking around the camera, guys, that's because I've got a bunch of things in my face here. I've got the camera looking right at me. So let me just put test one here. I could actually search for it. And this is something else you could do, right? You could actually, if you got a bunch of links in there, I have them organized by link, by the link tracking, so you can actually keep everything organized in here. And that's a simple process. But again, if you got a bunch of stuff in there, you could actually search for it in there. I've got some that actually have domains that's pointing to links, and there's a reason for that. But let's just go back to this real quick. And this is what I want to show you guys. This thing is powerful, right? You could put how much you're paying for traffic if you're doing solo ads. You could put how much you're doing for cost per click and all these other things here as well, right? You could also filter by country, right? So if you're doing tier 1 only, you could literally go in here and then just click on here and say only countries I want to target. You can just literally hit tier 1 and all that good stuff there, and it'll actually just select the tier 1 countries in here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just uncheck all. That's one thing you could do. I want to add one other thing as well. Facebook pixels. Facebook pixels. You could actually track Facebook pixels with this bad boy. If you've got a link that's going there, you could literally drop a Facebook pixel right on this particular page, to actually build a lookalike audience. But I would highly suggest you do that on the page where you're actually tracking the opt-in, right? So pretty much once they come to your squeeze page, if you've got a thank you page or some type of bridge page, that's where you want to actually put the pixel to track the actual opt-in. And that would be a better quality one to actually, I would say, to actually use to create a lookalike audience in Facebook for the folks that's using Facebook, right? But you can literally, you can actually literally put a pixel right on the link itself, which is pretty damn cool. Now, another thing it does, it will automatically flag bad traffic. So if somebody's sending you some bullshit clicks, this bad boy will let you know that's what's going on. You can also, it allows you to look at the traffic quality as well. But let me just show you guys a couple things real quick. You can actually look at the traffic quality here, but you can also track the convergence here. And this is where you go to actually get your pixel, right? You can actually go in here and create your pixel. It'll show you exactly how to do it. All that good stuff is right there. And then you can use that pixel. This is that pixel that you put on your thank you page or a bridge page once someone opts in, right? That second page, right? Now, if you're running a squeeze page, for instance, you got to have a bridge page in place, because if you send it directly from there to whatever offer on the back end, if they don't allow you to put your pixels on there, you won't be able to track the at least the opt-in. but you could actually put a bridge page in between that kind of pre-sells whatever offer that you're looking to offer, and then from there you drop that pix on that bridge page, and from there you can then redirect them or send them or put a call to action to go to whatever sale, so on whatever particular product. So if you're doing a business opportunity, you want to have a bridge page in place. If you're doing something like sending traffic, for instance, or building a funnel around a JV Zoo product, you definitely want to use a copy from that page on the squeeze page. You could use any follow-up emails there, but you definitely want to actually have a bridge page in between where you could drop your tracking pixels there as well. Okay. Now let's talk about the rotator real quick. The rotator is kind of powerful, and again, for a lot of people that's in the the solo ad business, they will use a lot of rotators. But if you're doing any team, team traffic purchases, for instance, right? You can actually build a rotator and actually have several links in there. And I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see what that looks like. Right, so you can actually have a lot of different affiliate offers there. Or if you're doing email marketing, right, that you send out to your list on a daily basis, by all means, you can definitely drop some traffic. You could drop some link in there. You could actually use a tracking link that will rotate the different offers each time they click. They'll see something different as well. So that's a whole different thing. You could drop CPA offers in there. You can do a lot of different things with this tool. Now, we'll say that if you drop a direct Clickmagick link on a lot of these different places, let's take a talk about Facebook, for instance, they will block that link. So you actually want to have a custom domain, and you could easily do that in here, right? Let me find here domain manager. You can actually do that right in there by going and pointing, setting up what's called a C name or a record from your host, right, to Clickmagick, and actually drop it in there. You can see I did that earlier today in a couple of mine. This is actually from today as well. I actually went to my host and put that record there. So now on my links, if I create a new link, I could actually select my custom domain right in here instead of using the default one. Boom, I hit the custom domain there, and this is something you could do pretty easily. Okay, there's a couple things I want to make sure I don't miss there. There goes split testing. That's another thing you could do, right? So if I actually want to do some split testing, I could actually just go there and drop in another link and say, I'll call it a secondary link. Okay, and of course I'll just call this, I'm going to use the same URL, but I'm just going to change it a bit just so it's a slightly different URL. Let's just say it's .net, for instance. There you go. And I can allocate how much traffic that's going there. If I want to equalize weights, I can just click this button here, and it should automatically put it there. Actually, I've got to hit add URL first. Sorry about that. Secondary URL. We'll drop that there. We'll just say .net. Let me click on. I'm gonna put 30% real quick just to show you guys. I'm gonna just click on add. Let's see. You don't have a valid URL. Okay, that is not alright. The URL. It does. Yes, it does check the URLs too. That's the other thing. So, and you know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make it the same, because once I hit that button, it's gonna actually check and make sure that the URL is working. It will also email to let you know there's something wrong with the link. And you can see you can't use the same thing twice. So I'm trying to think. Let's use this one. I think this should work. All right. Let's fix that real quick, and we'll see how that goes. That should be working fine. All right. So there it goes. Now, if I want to equalize that, I can just say equalize, and it'll make it 50-50. I can add another URL there. I can send an alert if I've got a winner or a winner or a loser, as you can see there. So it's a pretty awesome tool they could actually use, and literally the traffic will rotate between these two different squeeze pages, and it'll let you know which one is working better. As you know, you should always keep split testing to always beat your main page, right? And just keep on going so you get the highest opt-in ratio as possible. And of course, these tracking pixels are different tracking pixels. One for for the opt-in, another tracking pixel you can actually set for the sale if you got your own product, for instance, or say if there's a CPA offer, you can actually put a value associated with that, so you'll know what that is, and they'll let you know what the earnings per click looks like, the EPC, at the end of the day, and the return on investment. So it tracks all that good stuff for you guys. And this is really a rock solid software. I really like it. And let me go back real quick to a link where I've got some traffic on, because let me find one real quick. Let me just clear this out. All right, and because I want to show you guys real quick, that's the traffic quality. If I go to traffic quality right here, it'll let you know, for instance, you know, when you buy solo ads, it'll let me know that this particular run was 84%, 84% tier 1, and of course the rest came from the other from the other countries, right? So of course, if there's any bad clicks, it'll let you know as well. And in this particular one, I think I actually had split tests on this, so that's cool. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Now I think I may have deleted that secondary link. Yeah, I did. Otherwise, I'd like to be able to show it in here for you guys. But that's the case. But there is. Remember when let me go back real quick because I mentioned to you guys that let's put on tests in here that you can actually let me just bring this up real quick. I did mention you'd want to cloak this, especially if you want to do an exit redirect, and that's generally down here. You've got to turn that on. You see where it says pop up? You could actually set an exit redirect here. So let me just go ahead and decide, put something in there real quick, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Let me just go ahead and save that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just bring this up real quick in my browser. What I'll do is I'm gonna take out the split testing because it's just one URL really. So let me just go ahead and delete. Let's delete this guy there, and that's it. So let's just grab this URL, and you'll see how the exit redirect looks. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that up here. Alright, so this is what the page looked like. I want to know what page I've got up there. Actually, that's no longer my page. So yeah, because that actually isn't my page. So anyway, but this is the point. When you go away, it'll redirect to a different page. It'll be the whole page. This is an exit pop, right? So let me just go back in there. I can show you guys where to go to set that up. Right on the tools, content magic pops. You could actually set all your exit pop-ups. So you get 2 chances at that traffic, right? You give it a name. Let's bring this back up. I'll just call this test 2. What I like to do is to keep it full 100% page, 100% in size by putting that here, and I'd like to do the exit redirect, right? And then again, if I want to, I could actually even track my exit redirect here and know how that is performing, right? And that's why when you see me go back to this page real quick, so you guys see what that looks like. Once it's saved in here, right, it has to be cloaked for you to use your exit redirect. And then I could actually select the name that I created down here. As you can see, I've got a ton of them down there. And what that allows me to do, and I'm going to bring up one real quick for you. Let's find one here I could show you. And this will be off some something I ran not too long ago. I'm running this video is running a little bit longer than I wanted to, but I just want to show you guys this. See, for instance, there's an exit pop there for that offer. Right, so you know, and that I've got picked up another 39 leads from this actual run right here, right? Because I'm using the exit traffic. As you can see there, I'll show you this particular link. There's a link and there's the exit right there, right? So this pretty much is how that works, and this is a really powerful tool, guys. So this video is running at 13 minutes. I didn't want it that long, but I want to make sure I give you guys a lot of good value in this video. So let's talk about the bonus real quick, guys. If you decide to pick up the Clickmagick tool through my affiliate link, which is located in the description field right below this video, I'll be able to actually schedule a quick call with you on Zoom and answer the question, help you set up anything you want to inside of Clickmagick, guys. That's just my bonus for getting this through my affiliate link, because I know how powerful this tool is, and if you use it, you're going to keep on using it anyway. You'll see the value. But one thing I will say, they've got great support within their Facebook group. The owner of this system, he's very hands-on, and he's always looking to you know, improve the actual the link tracking software, Clickmagick. So that's it for the video, guys. This is Julian Lee. Thanks again for being here. I salute you. Thanks for being here. Don't forget, click the link right in the description field. Pick it up. Take that trial of Clickmagick. Hit me up. You got my social media contact there, and once I confirm that you actually purchased through my affiliate link, then we could definitely jump on a Zoom call. I can answer some questions for you. You can record it so you actually have that so you can also reference, all right? Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.